to the channel. We've got this lovely CLA AMG with us today. Do you just want to tell the audience a little bit about yourself?
Hi, I'm Rhys, 23. This is my CLA 45.
Are you single, Rhys? Should we just put it out there for the girls?
No.
Okay. So yeah, so this is your car. Tell us a little bit about it.
So I bought it sort of last July. Had the intake sitting at home ready to go, so I put that on straight away.
Yeah.
Got invited down to Hastings with Wales.
Yeah.
They were running on stage 2.
Yeah.
I was getting left behind. So,
oh no!
So booked it in straight away, stage 2. About a month later, went to stage 2. I was running good power then, keeping up with all of these lot. Then blew my turbo up.
Oh no!
So had to decide whether to replace it for a normal one. Just go for stage 3.
Okay.
Stage 3 was always on the cards anyway, so I put the TT 450 turbo in there.
Yeah.
Got it tuned to EST, and now it's running 450 brake horsepower.
Wow.
Over 620 Newton.
That's a lot of torque. That's more torque than my stock actually.
Yeah. Very, very torquey.
It's very
feel it when you drive.
But it's 4-wheel drive, isn't it? So this is a 4-wheel drive version. A bit like Ian's AMG A45 we did the other week. Guys, I put a link up for his video up in the corner. Go check that out. So you told me obviously off camera you did the mod yourself and stuff. Tell us a little bit about that. That's interesting.
Put the intake on myself, put the downpipe on myself. That was a hard bit.
Yeah.
Obviously the tuning side I couldn't do because I can't do it with the laptop. But
yeah, of course.
EST did all of that side.
Yeah.
While it was there, the resonator got taken out, so it's pretty much full straight pipe, other than the backups really.
Yeah. Okay. And so your mechanics, how'd you learn?
No, it's just me and my dad do it on the driveway. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, all the aero as well, all put on.
So if somebody went out and bought the same car, would you recommend them to do it themselves, or would you recommend to go somewhere? What would you recommend?
The intake is easy to do, just a few screws to take out.
Okay.
The downpipe's a bit more challenging because you've actually got to get underneath the car.
Yeah, sure.
So unless you've got like a ramp or something, I mean, we've got a really sloped driveway.
Yeah.
So we just let it on the driveway.
That was it.
Able to get under. But yeah, they're quite straightforward. 2 bolts for the downpipe, maybe 3 or 4 for the intake.
So tell us a little about running costs. Obviously my car is absolutely terrible with fuel. What's yours like now?
It was alright when we got it.
Yeah.
Now we'll probably get about 13 miles to the gallon.
Oh jeez, I thought I was playing at 22.
Yeah, so yeah, on a run, on the motorway, probably push up to 25-30.
Yeah.
But dragging it around and even when it's...
Do you know what kind of boost it's running roughly?
About 27 PSI.
27, that's quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, it's only a big turbo.
Do you see any lag or anything? Is it
turbo comes in about 3,500-4,000.
Okay. Guys, we're going to go out on the road and check this car out. Yeah, we'll see you guys out on the road.
I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke our dreams reveal. We're not a part of this world.
Alright guys, we're sat in the car and we're just about to go for a little drive. So yeah, let's go. So this is very nice and carbon inside, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you do all this or?
So they're actually all carbon stick-ons.
Yeah.
So they're not actually, well,
okay.
they're real carbon, but they're stuck on.
Alright, okay. So yeah guys, carbon fibre for a lot of cars. I mean, when I was looking at my BMW, it's like absolutely expensive. Like everything's carbon, you can't get anything else. Only carbon, only companies do carbon, and it's like $2 here, $1 there. It's like,
yeah, these aren't as expensive as that. But it is expensive when it goes wrong.
Yeah, that's the thing, that's the problem, you know, when you buy cars like this. They're just expensive in general. They just cost a lot. So do you enjoy it? Do you like this car? Are you happy with it?
Yeah, it's perfect. It's as I wanted it.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, I was gonna buy the W204 C63.
Yeah.
But I test drove it in the wet.
Oh, and it just wasn't
somewhat wet.
Yeah.
And it just couldn't put the power diameter at all. And four-wheel drive is much better.
Yeah, I agree. Like, thing is, with obviously with four-wheel drive, you're gonna get the power down. You don't know the split. You don't know if it's like 50. 60,
So it
40,
is 70 front, 30 back.
Oh, okay.
It can be changed to 50-50 in like sports handling mode.
Yeah.
Which we're in now.
Yeah.
But it won't be tail happy at all.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I've heard people being able to throw it about. I mean, Miles throws his about the roundabout.
Does he?
Gets it sideways.
Yeah.
But he's a stupid driver.
Oh, is he? Okay. Guys, we've got another video coming out next week. Guys, check it out when it comes out. Sneaky preview. I'll put a little sneaky preview in for you guys. But it's a really cool car, nicknamed the Hulk. So it'll be out next week, guys. So check that out. So so you're happy with it. You're not thinking about getting anything different. Upgrades. What are you doing next with it?
So upgrades, it'll be the cooling side of things.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
MEF and new rads to be put on.
All right, yeah.
And then not so much the boost gets turned up, but the power goes up to about 480,
Yeah.
490. Go down this way.
Yeah, let's go down.
480, 490. I mean, I was pushing 500. Like, was trying to push 500.
Yeah.
But the turbo, I don't think we'll make it there. So
Okay.
we're looking at getting, or EST are doing some development work on new turbos.
Yeah,
so if
okay.
they bring out a 500 or even higher than that,
Yeah.
that doesn't take stupid amounts of time to spool up,
Yeah.
then it'll be upgraded again.
Okay. So you're going to keep it in the long run, ultimately?
Yeah. So I'm at that age now where my missus is shouting at me to buy a house.
Oh
so,
no, is the car going to go?
No, I can't stay.
No,
The car is 100% staying.
Yeah.
If anything, it'll be upgraded. So
Yeah. Okay.
we're saving up for a house at the moment. As
Yeah.
soon as the house comes in, I think the next sort of car will be E63S or something along those lines.
Okay, we're just going to head off onto the little A road. We're going to give it some welly. Absolutely pings you back, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's the gear changes. When I was out in Ian's car the other week, it was just bang, bang, bang through the gearbox. It was, Guys, this car just rips, isn't it? Really, really quick. So ultimately, with this car, you're going to keep it in the long run, and you're not thinking about doing anything but the cooling from now.
No, the cooling is the next thing, and it's the thing that's sort of holding this back.
Yeah.
I mean, all the other mods were done already. In line for the cooling to take it to that final step. You could call this a 2.5, as it's not got the full stage 3 kit on it yet.
Guys, unfortunately we're just hitting a mega traffic jam. What time
At
is
least
it?
we can enjoy the pops.
Yeah, we're going to get some pops for you guys. Alright guys, unfortunately we've been pulled over.
Yeah, so I have
by the police
I don't want the plate
for a front number plate.
But the plate just actually sticks on.
Very nice couple of guys, just doing some ID checks on us. Obviously we did the shoot with the car, and obviously we didn't have the number plate. We've got to put it back on, stupid as we are, so we've just been pulled over. We'll just
last name?
Yeah.
And date of birth. You currently live in Brentwood?
Yeah. Yes.
Have you ever been arrested by the police before?
I have, yes, a long time ago.
What for?
Well, no, not arrested, I've got points.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not like...
1611 speeding?
Yeah, speeding.
1611. You never gone to like police custody? What's your account address?
So yeah, they're just doing a P&C on us. Yeah, in 2006. Yeah, 2006 was it?
2008.
2008? Oh, that's supposed to be 2006, I think.
It might be that the offence was 2006.
Oh, the court, yeah, it might have been, yeah.
A couple of maybe sometimes it can take a couple of years to go from offence date to court.
Oh right, okay, yeah. I don't know, I was very young.
Have you ever previously lived in Surrey?
Have you had anything to drink there?
You're well travelled, aren't you?
Yeah, I was at uni.
No.
I was studying engineering.
And postcode?
Yeah.
Just obviously being nice and just doing a check on us, guys. So we'll see how it goes.
Alright, so you will be reported for not displaying the front number plate.
Yeah.
There will be a fixed penalty. It's non-endorsable.
I haven't got any idea on me. Can I step out? Is that alright?
Now, someone to let you line in court.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread.
What you got? 663. I can't get one of these.
I'd rather not disclose that, to be pretty honest with you. But yeah, I was fortunate family.
That's probably something I can't do then because of my job.
No, you can do it.
You can do it, yeah.
Sorry?
Pest control surveyor. So I go to London and survey like all the restaurants. I don't work. I wouldn't do that. Basically, I called around on the floor looking for money. I can think of better things I'd want to do. Hazel, though.
Yeah, we'll get you an AMG medal. What you got?
No, BMW M2 competition.
Oh, right. There you go.
What do you drive, officer? Is it in our...
Yeah, it's a sad situation, I think.
drives this? Well, to be fair...
He drives it.
You're not a response then? No. It's hard getting your response training course, isn't it?
Yeah, they cancel a load of courses because of Corona.
Yeah, I know.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh.
guys, obviously if you do like this video, please like, subscribe to the channel. We've got some more content coming really soon. Head over to my TikTok, check that out, and we'll see you guys on the next video.